Hey guys, this is Amy. We're gonna make slime. I have my 3 adults. This will be the 3rd time, and hopefully I have audio this time. So, let's get started. Everybody, we're gonna get a bowl.
Okay.
And then the first step, we're gonna use Elmer's glue.
Okay.
Gallon glue, right? Do you remember this from elementary school?
Stuff tastes delicious.
So we're gonna pour like a 1/4 inch in the bottom of our bowl.
Okay.
You can do more or less. The fun thing about slime is we're not measuring.
Okay. Just eyeball it.
Eyeball it. Start thinking about what color you want to make.
Good job, Paige. You got a dingleberry?
Oh,
Is
yeah.
that what you call a dingler? Sorry.
Cling on.
Is it 1/4 inch?
I do a little more.
Small.
It depends. Like, yeah, that's good. All right, John.
I think I can do this.
Yes.
And have
If
any
you
of
work
you
on construction, you can do this.
made slime before?
I have not.
Have you seen the YouTube video?
I have not seen the whole video, but
I don't even know what it is.
I've heard about this.
Okay. So the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna pass out the spoons.
You gonna eat it?
Mhm, yep, exactly.
No! Please don't eat it. Okay, everybody got a spoon. Now this is Staflo. This is liquid starch. Does anybody use this for starching their uniforms or their? Okay. So we're gonna pour this in and
Laundry
we start
starch.
laundry starch. Yeah.
Okay.
We are pouring this in and then start stirring. This is the binding agent that's going to bind the glue and the starch together and
Did we
start
really
the
get
process.
something into this?
Oh my god. So what is the end product supposed to look like?
So all of this glue and starch will come together into like kind of a ball. You see how
It just got splashed.
Ew.
and it will start to stick together.
Okay. It's like tapioca pudding.
Yeah.
Yum.
How we doing? How's yours, Paige?
So if it's too slick, like you need to add more starch, it should turn into a
So
ball,
if it's sticky, we need to add more of the Staflo.
right?
Mine's sticky.
Yours too sticky.
Is that okay?
Keep going. Paige, you might need a little bit more glue. Yours is really slimy. What's yours looking like,
How about
John?
mine? What's this supposed to
Really?
Yeah, try to get it all off of the edges. That's your biggest clue to see. It should all start sticking together. Like,
Yeah.
honestly, it's
Looks
an arm
delicious.
workout. You just gotta keep stirring.
What? John,
You
can
can
you
do
do mine?
it. No, come on now. You need to work out
I
your
should add
arms.
more glue to this.
Switch arms.
Yeah, I would add a little bit more glue.
It turns into a ball though, yeah?
Yeah.
And so if it's sticking to the bottom of the bowl, you need to add
Yeah.
what? Glue or starch?
So let me look at your consistency. I think that. Oh, look at John.
John!
Is that the
bro.
stuff?
That's the stuff.
All right.
Keon.
Oh, Keon.
Yeah, it honestly is about the
Table's
mixing.
too high for, no.
That's the thing.
Ah!
And just go slow. Add something to see if what's happening. Like mine is still sticking to the edge, but it's just sticky. So I think I need more Staflo.
Don't steal mine.
Keon, will you pass me that Staflo?
John, you are expert. Look at that.
Oh,
Well, my mother is a high school art teacher. So
I
I've been
love
doing
it.
these
Look at
little
this.
projects.
Oh yeah, and
forever.
you're a hippie. Okay, so
What
I
did you
just
say?
you were a hippie, right?
What does that have to do with slime construction?
Oh, Oh, Mickey Crafts. Arts
Oh,
and
crafts is a hit. Okay, I see where you're going with that. Okay.
I think it's getting better. You put too much
This
of
looks
stuff.
like egg
How many
whites.
times have
You
you done
put
this
too much of
before?
stuff.
No, see how it's coming together?
Oh, lots. My house is like half
See,
slime.
it's got it all off the walls here.
Because of this project or?
Oh, no, just in general. You don't want to know how many gallons of glue I've ordered.
Amazon Prime, is it okay? Over my pantry?
It is
It's
on
not.
Prime. So I think I need a little bit more glue. Did yours come out, Keon?
John's working on it.
Feels like slime.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Why do you
That's
bring your
good. Very good.
Little
Huh?
sticky
Good
still.
job, John.
You maybe need a little more glue. Just a
And a
little bit.
KitchenAid.
Half
That's
my
not such a
coffee.
bad idea. Okay, I think I
Oh,
got
that's great. Look
mine.
at that.
Perfect. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we're gonna add our food coloring.
Oh,
So,
can I see the glitter?
Alright, there you go,
Yes.
Keon. Was this mine?
Yeah.
and then these are glitter
Good
colors.
job.
You don't have to
Oh
add
my
glitter
God.
if you don't want to. And these are like sequins that can add like texture. And then these
I
are,
don't want
Colors.
Food color.
Yeah.
so like I'm gonna go, this one is a really
Well,
pretty
I
teal.
hate glitter because it gets everywhere.
Yeah,
Not
I
with-
glitter.
Does
I
it
hate-
stay in
I'll
it or
take
does it
all
get all over
these
your
in it.
hands when you play with it? Do you get glitter all over your hands?
Mhm.
Not really, it sticks
How much?
in the, so do a few drops.
Oh, look at this pink. Oh my god.
Whoa, oh, come on now, don't get on my uniform.
You guys have any questions?
It's not gonna.
You're gonna be the best.
It's not gonna be all in one color. I mean, it's.
Yeah,
You
it's
got
like your hands or something.
This is the workout, Keon. This is the,
Look, yours look better than mine.
yeah, my arms. John got purple.
It's your favorite color, right?
Yeah.
And then, once we get, okay, I'm gonna add my
More.
glitter now. I'm gonna try this.
Right? That's what I wanted to do. Is this allowed?
Yes, that's
Okay.
the best part, yes. So I was just gonna say, yep, there you go, get it going.
Like this?
Look at yours, it looks like taffy. Yours is perfect.
So I just
Oh my
added,
god.
It looks like saltwater taffy.
Ew. I think
how
I
does
got
that
it all.
feel, Keon?
And then what?
Mix it together, do you pick it up?
Don't touch
pick
your
some-
hair.
Oops.
Yes.
Why?
One of these
What I'm
glitter
pick,
stuff?
yeah, or what, one of these glitters. And then you just, yep, I'm going in, guys. Actually, I'm
Oh,
gonna
you're going
get,
big? Oh, come on with glitter.
I went
How about
glitter.
this? Can I put this?
Yep, open it, put it in.
Can I have the white glitter? Or the
Yes.
silver? What do I want in there?
Iridescent.
Oh, there's also more
I
glitter
thought you
in here
didn't like
too.
glitter.
Ooh, bigger glitter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so fine glitter, there's bigger glitter. Yep, and get your hands in there and get it going.
Can
This
you
is-
use too much glitter?
You never have too
No,
much glitter.
I don't think so. I watched a YouTube video and this girl used 45 bottles of glue. She made a 30-pound thing.
Oh my gosh.
So you just get it out, you work it with your hands. Mine is still kind of sticking to my.
How
Huh?
about,
Yeah, I hold my. Yeah.
how about purple? Silver, black, brown, pink, blue, violet, silver.
Mine seems really sticky.
You need some help getting that off of there.
I like this thing.
Look at how pretty that is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, mine. I'm not sure what.
Too sticky?
Mine is really
You
sticky.
get it, yeah, you got too much mixing. Warmed up too much maybe?
So if it's sticky, I need to add. Will you pour a little step flow in there for me?
More starch?
Yeah, I need that.
Oh my
more
god,
stuff.
it's got everywhere.
Okay, good. The other thing, if you didn't want to use Staplo, is you can use laundry detergent. The other thing the kids are using is borax, which there's been,
Isn't that like a cleaning?
That's
It is a
so
cleaning
pretty.
agent.
Look at that.
Causing
Oh
some
my
chemical,
God.
You put some different colors.
some
in there.
chemical burns, so that's why I went with the Staplo.
I need some different colored glue.
Okay, am I done? And then what?
It just looks good.
Mix it, oh yeah, look, how do you like the texture in that
I like it.
with the sequins?
What do you do with this thing?
It's a stress reliever. Do you
You
feel
just-
less
So if you're
stress?
standing in rounds, you could be like,
you just play with this to relieve the stress?
Uh-huh. And just, the other thing is we could add essential oils, so you could add like smell to this.
Oh.
So like you could get lavender and start to, play with this before bed.
For kids.
Well, I'm glad your guys turned out great. So-
You're just runny.
Okay, I want to ask you guys a couple evaluation tools, and you can give feedback on me. Do you feel like I explained this well?
Yeah.
Yes.
I
Okay.
understood.
Do you like how it's literally hands-on, right, guys?
I like
Yeah.
squeezing it, it's fun.
And this was fun,
No,
right?
don't go any further.
Is there anything else that you would like to do different next time? Different color, different glitter?
Yeah, we could do like several, how long does it last once you make
It
it?
depends. If you keep it in an airtight container, it can go a while. Every time you get it out, you gotta kind of work it out again.
Okay,
Um,
so you could make like 3 or 4 different,
yeah, and there's
Combinations.
and then like you can make fluffy slime with shaving cream.
Really?
There's
If
What
you
happens
don't
if-
like
what
someone,
happens if I
if
add
you don't
shaving
like
cream to
someone,
this? Is it too late?
no. Maybe I'll
you can
add
just like throw this
shaving
in
cream
someone.
to mine because
Oh
mine
my
seems to be
Fatten it up a
Why
little?
was the shaving cream?
to make fluffy
bounces.
slime.
Oh my god! That's great! I love that one. You made a perfect one. But mine is a little
Little
bit.
sticky
We
stuff?
also I've made it.
Now it's got
It's a
mercy
long
in it too.
tongue.
Yeah. You give this to one of our
Oh
patients
my
that wants to fidget with their
God.
hands
At least
all the
gonna
time.
come off my
Yeah,
hand,
You
right?
give this to a fidgety patient,
Yeah.
you just hang out with that thing.
Look.
Oh my gosh, that's so creative. I've never seen that
The
done.
wave, the purple
I
wave.
like how he's introducing people and dancing.
slime dancing. It's a new Olympic sport.
It's called a long tongue. Oh my god.
So you put in blue glitters with
And
yours.
silver.
Awesome. Okay, well I think I cleaned mine up. It's
There you go, the
definitely
whipped cream, look at that. You made
whipped
it all-
cream.
Or the
How do
shaving
you
cream,
clean that?
Well,
made it all floofy.
Keon, mine wouldn't come off my hands. The instructor failed. You guys did great. I've got it
Everywhere.
It's starting to
Louie's
come
gonna
off my
kill us.
hands now. I added the shaving cream, but there's all kinds of things that you can do. It's
get it
just-
off?
Well, I mean,
Soap and water is dropping.
yeah. Oh yeah, to get it off your hands. You can also use paint if you didn't want to use food
Is this
coloring. Glitter.
Oh my god, this is a big mess. More?
More glitter, because it was already open. It broke open.
You can give
So
it to
you're
your
gonna go
son.
home and make this with your kid,
I am,
John?
I'm gonna show them how to do this, because I've seen it.
And you have to clean
Okay,
the house.
mine is a really okay. Good. I'm really happy now. Mine made it.
Ooh.
There we go, now it's coming together.
There you go.
All right. Was this warm learning for you guys? Did I encourage your thinking?
Thinking.
Very fun.
I don't know.
Very fun.
I wasn't thinking.
Oh, I had to
anything.
think. I had to figure out how to fix
You had to
this.
think about it. You have to think about how to get it off your fingers.
Right. The color
How
combinations.
much glitter?
Like Paige could not choose her color until she saw what the glitter combinations were. Yeah. Well, thank you guys.
Do I need
What-
to keep this in a
Thank you,
Ziploc or something?
teacher.
We can, yeah, or yeah. I'll get
They're not gonna
biohazard
fit in
bags.
this specimen cup. So.
No, it's not gonna fit in a specimen cup, but that's a good.
You could redo your
Hey.
positions so that
Yes.
You made a bubble.
Oh yeah, I've seen people
Oh
like
my
blow
God.
it, like.
What?
Oh yeah, you can blow it up, huh?
What? How? Gross. Gross.
Feels awful on your face.
Oh, that's gross.
It's got my beard. I hope it doesn't stick in my beard.
Oh
That was awesome. Yeah, and of course the kids love the farting sounds that
Oh,
it
yeah.
can make too. I don't know, it just feels good. Like it just.
Yeah, it's fun.
That is a fun one. What are your other classmates doing?
Shelby did guacamole.
Nice.
And
Did she
then I
bring
don't.
chips?
Huh?
She bring chips.
She did it at her
Wait,
house.
she made guacamole and got to eat the guacamole, and
Yeah.
we made glue
This
balls.
we cannot eat.
Oh,
glue.
man.
Blue balls. Okay.
No, this is cool.
All right. Well, thank you guys.
Thanks, Amy.
Hey, Louie, can you take care of this for me right here? I got a present for